This meditation will help you sleep comfortably. Before we get started, I'd like you to get comfortable. This can be puffing up your pillow, tucking yourself under the sheets, or any ways you feel comfortable. Now, lay on your back. Put your hands either on your side or on your chest, or whatever way you are comfortable. Keep your eyes open for the time being and take a deep breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Now, close your eyes. Take another deep breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. It happens with most of us that when we sleep and keep our head on the pillow, our thoughts start to race. We think about our day and what we did right or what we did wrong, or what could we have done better. This is perfectly normal. Now, whether you had a good day or a bad day, whether things were going your way or nothing seemed to go right, I want you to acknowledge the fact that you made it through the day. If you were in pain, you got through it. If you were anxious or sad or missed someone or missed a deadline or made a mistake, it is now over and you made it through the day. Smile for it. You gave it your all and your best. Now, let's begin to feel our body on the mattress, beginning with our neck. Let the tension of neck soften into the pillow, and same with our head. Let's move down towards our shoulders and let them sink into the mattress, and notice how the tension is getting soft. Focus on your arms and back sinking into the mattress. Then our vertebrae and pelvis sinking into soft mattress. Then our legs, thighs, knees, calves, ankles, feet and toes sinking into the soft mattress. Feel how relaxed you are. You are at a safe place at this moment. Now, out of your entire day, think of 3 things that happened today. 3 amazing things that made you happy today. These can be smallest things that may have been overlooked in the moment. As long as we focus on these little things in life that brings small sparks to our days, we can feel truly happy. We can feel we did something right today. We had a purposeful day. There are certain moments when you notice something amazing and had a smile on your face. That means today was worth it. As we enter into sleep, let's acknowledge the fact that today was a blessing and we were alive today. We were conscious. We made it through whether day was easy or difficult. Let's enter into sleep knowing no matter what happens during our lives or during the day, there are always at least 3 amazing moments in our life. Now, continue to breathe and enter into the deepest, most relaxing, well-deserved sleep. Be grateful that you lived today and you will live again tomorrow. Pay gratitude to the universe. Enjoy your sleep.